barely 6 years old when I first heard him sing. And somehow I knew from that moment on it would be a lifetime thing. And I'd stand in front of the mirror day and night and I'd listen to every one of his records and I'd repeat every word, every note till I finally got it right. And I was determined to wait for the day when I could stand and sing in front of an audience. And maybe someone would come up and say, you know, you sound just like Elvis. There was a man who gave the world his song, and the world stood still to hear him sing. A simple man, he took his faith along, while the world proclaimed him king. Now the king is gone, oh what a reign, and the crown on his head, it will remain. From a working man to royalty to everlasting fame, all the king is gone, well the king is gone, but long live his name. There was a man who tasted sweet success, but still gave his hand to help a friend. A loving man who shared his happiness. Now the king is gone, but there was a man. Now the king is gone, and oh what a reign, and a crown on his head, oh it will remain. From a working man to royalty to everlasting fame, the king is gone, yeah the king is gone, long live his name. Now the king is gone, oh the king is gone, long live his name. Goodbye, Elvis. We'll miss you, man.